Hi guys, I'm gonna be shooting this gun and this gun with that bullet that's inside. So I'm actually gonna go with this one first because this one actually might be more powerful. It is really strong. I'm gonna set you guys up. Was it right here? Yeah, it was. And then here's the box that we're gonna be shooting. Now, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What? No! I gotta try that again. It didn't make it. Let's try that. This one might not be as accurate. So, there we go. Wow, that one wasn't really strong, but it did make a hole. See those two top ones? Well, made this one right here. Okay, now we will be shooting the bigger gun. Oh my god. So, here we go. Oh, that's loud. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. There. Whoa. It made it fall down. That was a whoa. Look at it. You can see it right through there. Pushed it out. Make sure to subscribe and like to this video. And turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. And also, if this gets to 10 likes, I will put multiple of these on there and shoot that cardboard box. Bye.